I'm going to say it again. Spiritual deception is when you forget that you were never beyond restoration. Mm-hmm. So no matter what happened to you, I gave you my testimony, you know yours. What happened to you, but you don't never forget. You're never beyond God restoring what people have done in your childhood or in your life, or if they attack your family, attack your finances, attack whatever we've had family attack us, and it broke me and my wife's heart that they would, after we've helped them, they come against us like that, and we have given everything out, and then the point we almost didn't have what we needed because we gave it out to other people, and then they turn it back on you. You're like, what the world is this? But you're never beyond restoration.
Amen.
God isn't warning you to scare you. He's inviting you back into the truth. Even if life has gone off course for you. He's offering realignment. God's truth does not condemn. It corrects, brings clarity, and brings healing.